Hey guys, it's Nate here, and my naked mannequin is not naked anymore. Like I said yesterday, I'm going to show y'all what my Stormtrooper or Sandtrooper costume looks like. The one that I made out of EVA foam, and then the helmet that I did, I made out of paper and fiberglass and a lot of Bondo. But let me take you over here and show you what it looks like. All right, so there's that helmet. Definitely not the most screen accurate Stormtrooper helmet, but oh well. And then all of this stuff is foam. The only leather on this pauldron is this little edge here. Everything else is foam. Mag pouches are all foam. All the armor, foam. The gloves are actually just some tactical gloves that I got from the place that I work that we sold a long time ago. But there it is. All foam armor. And my cat too. And the T-21, I guess is what it's called. This is all made out of just random stuff like wood and foam, and that's that. And then I'll take you over here and show you I'll start with the cheapo helmets here. These are not made by me. This is just one of those cheap, like Disney helmets, I believe is what it is. And it's a two-piece helmet, and I, sealed it off with Bondo and made it one solid helmet. It actually had a mesh lens in there. It was just like some mesh, and I put an actual lens in it, repainted it, and here's a Kylo Ren. It's also one of those cheap Disney helmets that you can still see the line. It was two pieces, and I made it one piece. But it also had the same thing. It had a little mesh cheap lens in there. And these are all just for display, just for look. So I just repainted it, and I'm going to put it on my wall in my office. This one's pretty cool. This is my Darth Vader that I got at an auction. Let me take the top off, but it's got all these electronics in it and stuff too. But the little top comes off, and then the face actually comes off too, and it makes that's pretty cool though. Yeah, it's really neat helmet. I'm not really sure who makes this helmet. But man, when we found it at the auction, I was like, I don't really want that thing, so I went for it. I think it was like $20 or something like that. There's that, and then there's my Mandalorian helmet. This helmet was the first helmet that I refinished myself. It was a 3D print, and it was just a raw print. And I sanded it down, put many coats of filler primer on it, and it's still not, it's okay, but it's not great. There's you can see some lines and stuff in there. But after I primed it and everything, I sprayed it with some gloss black paint, and then I did a graphite rub on it so that it has that metal look to it. But that was my first 3D print that I ever refinished. I didn't print it myself, but I finished it out myself. And here's my Shoretrooper helmet. This is my first helmet that I actually 3D printed myself on my Sunlu S8. It turned out really nice. There's still some, like you can see some lines and stuff, but man, this is what got me hooked on doing the 3D printing stuff. And I will try to post the links to where I got this helmet the files. If I can figure out where I got it from, I can't remember. But yeah, it's a pretty cool helmet. And I couldn't find the paint, the actual color. I mean, I know that there's on the CRL online on the 501st, you can find the actual paint color, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just went with some rattle can that looked somewhat close to it, and then I used some acrylic paint that I had and airbrushed it on there just to kind of give it more of a actual color that it is. And then here is the old Death Trooper helmet that I'm working on right now. It needs to be sanded. It's got that coat on it from yesterday. It's real thick. So I'm probably gonna get to sanding that here in a little bit. But anyways, guys, that's all my helmets that I've got. Not really a whole lot, and some of them are really not that great, but this is just kind of a hobby of mine. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of my stuff and my not naked mannequin anymore. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.